I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Get into a vehicle that can carry your planks and make sure you have keys and cash on hand. Once done, open the in-game map and head to the main road markers near cities. The paint shop sits along main routes, not hidden spawns. Make sure to drive during daytime for visibility and listen for shop ambient sounds. This helps you confirm proximity before you stop and step out. You now approach the shop and park precisely in the trigger zone. This ensures the interaction prompt appears. Once at the counter, select the paint menu, pick color, finish, and any decals, then confirm payment. If you plan custom work, hand over nails or paint tools as requested by the shopkeeper NPC. You may need to wait for the timer to finish. Keep an eye on the confirmation prompt so you don't miss the apply button. You finish by staying put until the paint timer completes. Moving can cancel the job, so be patient. After completion, inspect the vehicle to confirm colors and any decals applied. Make sure the final look matches your selection, because refunds are often limited. If the prompt doesn't register or the paint doesn't apply, relog to the server or reposition and re-enter the trigger zone. This forces the shop menu to refresh and resolves most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.